Hi guys, another day, another double-digit trading return. I just wanted to share with you the latest double-digit trading return, which was a trade here that we recorded last week, and I'm currently running another trade which potentially might turn into a double-digit returning trade. It was currently it went up to 1 to 10, and now it's slightly lower. But this was the trade that I actually took on Dow Jones, and this was a 2-day trade. And what you're seeing here is the 15-minute chart. And I took the trade. I will actually walk you through the trade. We actually had 3 trades running at the same time, and they were all profitable trades, from very small trades on Nasdaq to a slightly better trade on DAX. And as you can see here, this was the Nasdaq trade. So basically, I took the trade right there. The trade went down. Then it just took ages really to materialize, and I took profits. And the DAX trades was this one. And if I just share with you taking DAX profits here, so we took profits at around 1 to 9 on DAX. And I let the Dow Jones trade run for a little while, a little longer, and it was a 1 to 17 risk to reward ratio trade. And this was the PPI numbers went out, and they basically moved the price lower, and I couldn't really get the full potential. It was almost 1 to 22 risk to reward ratio trade, so I closed my trade at around 1 to 17, and this is where I close my trade. But what might be more interesting for you as well is to see the entry on this trade. This was a double-digit 2-day running trade, and this was the 14th of May, and I took the trade on the 13th of May. For the superstitious guys here, this might be a great catch. So this was during the afternoon session, just 10 minutes after the US Open. As you can see, this was my entry, and it very quickly turned into a risk-free trade, which was literally 2 minutes later, even less than that. And from here, the price basically went down. As you can see, it never moves in a straight line. We went down, up again, and again, we're not trying to predict market direction. All we are trying to do is find those risk-free trading opportunities, enter in a trade, and then let the market do the rest of the job. At the same time, we entered in a couple of other trades, as I was showing you earlier, in a DAX and a Nasdaq trade, which didn't really perform, especially the Nasdaq trade. The DAX trade gave us 1 to 9 risk to reward ratio trade, and this is where I closed the trade. And the Dow Jones trade was closed during just after the PPI news hit the wires, and this is where I close the trade. And currently, I'm also in a long DAX trade, which is still open. This is where I entered the trades, as you can see here, and I have taken partial profits. It's currently a risk-free trade, and at some point it was all the way up here. It was 1 to 11, then it went down, so currently it's 1 to 8. I'm waiting for the CPI news that are coming out in about 2.5 hours time. So let's see where this will take us. Worst case scenario, we will be stopped out at a small profit, since I've moved my stop loss just above the entry, and my original stop loss was just below. As you can see, I will just scroll back to this morning's entry, which was right here, guys. Long DAX. This was the entry. Stop loss was literally 8 points below the entry, and I quickly took half of the profits. Then the price continued going higher, and the rest is history. Let's see where this trade will take us. Potentially, we might end up with another double-digit returning trade. You don't really know, but this so far is we have actually two close double-digit returning trades in May. This potentially could be the third one. We had another which was 1 to 9 risk to reward ratio trade on DAX, and still I wouldn't really count this as a double-digit returning trade, even though it was very close to it. So far, two recorded double-digit returning trades and one in the making, potentially. Fingers crossed. I'll let you know after this video is done. Maybe in the next video you will see the exit on this trade, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.